She said she really wanna go like me. Tonight we might fall in love. Remember what mama told me, brown skin girl. I never trade you for anybody else in brown skin girl. What's good, naturalistas? Welcome back to another naturalist skincare video on IGTV, and this one is sponsored by none other than Urban Skin RX, period. Okay, and today we're talking about the Resurfacing Vitamin C Cleansing Bar. So y'all know way back in the day when y'all was like,
Sis, you need to try this as a mist because your girl's skin was just doing too much. The mask was taking over.
Period. Okay, period. Well, this came at the most perfect time, okay? I have lately been wanting things to go a lot faster. You know, it's the process for me. But sometimes I just need a little bit more, especially on those nights where I'm coming home and I'm just like, I cannot go through all of these steps tonight. I just need to cleanse and moisturize and call it. This, baby, this. This right here is everything you're gonna need. When I tell you everything, it's everything. Guess what it is? It's an all-in-one, period. But for real, y'all, I'm really just ready to get into it. So let's get into it. For one, cleanses your skin. It helps to even your skin texture. It visibly brightens dull skin. So when I'm telling you, you finna glow, honey, who doesn't love a glow? Baby, who doesn't love a glow? And trust me, when that sun shine on this melanin, baby, you finna light up the world. Somebody's day, all right? Next, discoloration. So like I was saying with my mask, I was getting all sorts of bumps on my cheeks, and I normally don't do that. So without having to add any additional steps to my routine, I can just use my cleanser. And for this, for me, I would probably use this on those nights where like, I just cannot go through that entire nighttime routine, okay? It also acts as a soft exfoliant. And then lastly, it improves the look of aging and pore size. And if you zoom in, but we ain't gonna do that. If you zoom in, you can kind of see that I feel like I have enlarged pores because I can absolutely see them to the naked eye, right? And so hopefully with the continued use of the new Resurfacing Vitamin C Bar, Cleansing Bar by Urban Skin RX, your girl's pores will have just minimized. I'm not a minimalist, but when it comes to these pores, shrink. But let me just also get into it just a little bit more. You can use this cleansing bar as a mask too. Okay, so it really got 6-in-1 use. So you can use this as a mask too, a treatment mask, and you keep it on your skin for about 3 minutes. Now, what can we do in 3 minutes? Who knew your girl could dance a little bit? Y'all think I could dance? Y'all think I could dance a little bit? Well, if not, it's October, so disguise it, honey, period. And the mask is still on. I know y'all seen her like,
Well, sis, where can I get it, sis? Where can I get it?
it's okay. It's okay. Know that I always got you, always. Okay, so you can get this only online. You ain't gonna find this in stores. Okay, so just go ahead, thank me later, you know what I'm saying? Because I put y'all on. Okay, Resurfacing Vitamin C Cleansing Bar. You can find this in my story. I'll have the swipe ups linking you to get this. Remember, we the type of people, we the type of family that likes to make life a little bit easier. You know what I'm saying? And if we got a 5/6 in one, baby, his army, natural esters, all of the above. Get into it. I love you all, and I will see you on the next one. It is your girl, LATRICE, and remember to always protect your peace.